Good morning, guys. This is version 2 of my vape battery powerbank case. The only difference is it's got these extra bits sticking up here that clamp the little electric circuit board in place. In the previous version, it just sits on there and holds itself in place because it's a very tight fit. But I have found I'm able to, when I've got the USB lead in there, I'm able to move it around, the extra leverage. So I thought if I do that, that holds it in place. And the only reason I'm actually doing this is I needed to do a test piece because I had a bit of problem with the printer the other day. I was using that filament and it went all horribly stringy and thin and looked like it was jamming up the nozzle. So I've put the pink in there and as we can see it's working fine. I did put the little feeler gauge thing up inside the nozzle to clean it out, and then I've printed that, and that is printed perfectly. So I'm happy. I wasn't happy when the filament was playing up. I thought, well, you get this thing, you feel the world's come to the end when your printer's playing up. Right, see if we can just demonstrate the problem first. This one, I've already taken the tape off because I've only got them taped closed. But that's the circuit board, which should hold itself in place. But if I put a USB lead in there, I am actually able to move that one around a bit. Now, interestingly enough, this one, which is identical, doesn't suffer the same problem. So that must be a slightly tighter print than this one. Or it may even just be I've got a little bit of solder on the end there, so it's not sinking in properly. Anyway, that's what this is for. These are designed to go down either side on the circuit board, and those wires stay out of the way. So then there's nowhere for it to go. I mean, I can move it a little bit within the springiness of the USB port itself, but the whole circuit board is no longer moving. So all I do is tape it closed. I did think of all sorts of clever ways of screwing it shut and that sort of thing, but the truth is a bit of tape is actually going to do the job anyway. And for the number of times I want to take it apart, which is virtually never, that's it, job done. So I did print a spare one to replace that one, but because it doesn't move, I'm not going to do it at the moment. And then I printed another complete case because I rather like these now. They seem to work quite well. So I might make another battery pack for me sometime. Oh, that tape's no good. It's lost its sticky. What about this one? Right. There we go. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.